A pen stand is made of wood in the shape of cuboid with three conical depressions to hold the pens. Okay, so we have a cuboid. This is the cuboid and three depressions are made like this to hold the pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. Okay, so cuboid volume is given, right? It is 15 by 10 by 3.5. All right. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 centimeters. So each depression is cone, right? So radius of this cone is equal to 0.5 centimeters given, and the depth is 1.4. That means height is 1.4 centimeters. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. Now see, first we had a cuboid and we are making three cones out of it, right? We are removing three cones out of it. The dimensions are given here. So volume of the wood in the pen stand now will be equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of three cones, isn't it? Volume of three cones. Okay, so first let us find the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid, this is 10 into 3.5, it will be 35. This is 15, right? So this will give us 525 centimeter cube. So volume of cuboid is 525. So this is 525. Let us find volume of three cones. So first let us find the volume of one cone, or volume of three cones, right? We know volume of one cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume of three cones will be 3 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 3 will get cancelled here. Pi is 22 by 7 and radius of the cone is how much? 0.5. Okay, so this is 0.5 into 0.5 because we have r square. And what is the height? 1.4. 1.4. Okay, so 0.5 can we write it as 1 by 2? This is half only, right? Yes, 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1.4. So this 7 and 1.4 will go 0.2 times. 7 2s is 14, but we have 1.4, so we wrote 0.2. Okay, so 22 into 0.2, 4.4 divided by 2 into 2 is 4 here. So if we divide this, we'll have 1.1. So minus 1.1 here, right? So volume of three cones is how much? 1.1 centimeter cube. So 525 minus 1.1 will give us 523.9 centimeter cube. All right. So volume of this wooden stand, pen stand, is now 523.9 centimeter cube.